Hi, my name is Justin Lowhorn. I own Hoosier Auto Group, and today I'd like to take you through our service center and show you some of the things that we offer. We have some of our factory diag equipment such as Chrysler, DM, Ford, some of our scanner. We've got key programmers and just some generic tire stuff. Over here we have some of our specialty tools for timing jobs, different engines, different makes, different models. But we do a lot of timing here and a lot of internal engine work, so they stay out because they're used constantly. And we are full service when it comes to tires. So that is one thing that I feel that a lot of our customers don't realize that we get asked about a lot is our tire services. And we can buy any brand, any size, we can order them. They're usually within something crazy is usually 2 to 3 days out. And I feel like that is something that we're really trying to push more for customers, just because that is something that just people seem to not know about us. And coupled with that, we do have a full alignment system as well. So this is our alignment system. We have a 4-post, 15,000 pound rack, so we can accompany pretty much any long bed truck, crew cab truck, dually. We do race some of the smaller ambulances here in town. You know, those weigh right at 14,000 pounds. So it is something that we invested in a few years ago that really allows us to service fleets, pretty much any customer road going vehicle or any heavy duties all the way down to little passenger cars. But this goes perfectly with what we were talking about earlier with our tires, is that when you get tires, you need an alignment. And so we want to be able to service that from beginning to end, you know, moving through, getting people in alignment, making sure they're not wearing out that investment. So this is an example of something that we do that people may not know, is that we go deeper than just the exterior of the vehicle or mechanical work. So this customer came in, we've got a lot of construction going on at our main intersections right now downtown, and they hit a traffic cone. And so we ended up going into this vehicle. We ended up replacing an intercooler, condenser, some bracketry, I believe a radiator, and some other things as well that were pretty far down in there that were just made of plastic that just didn't hold together. So, you know, we don't want to be known that people only come here for check engine lights or electrical issues. Is that we can give an example of us handling pretty much whatever you may end up needing. We can handle all of your automotive needs, whether it's service, buying a car, whatever it is, from oil changes to engine replacements. We pretty much can do or equip to handle anything you may need. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of our shop. I really just wanted to give you guys a view of what goes on behind the curtain and show you all the things that we have to offer. And I really hope that this helps you, choose us next time you may need something done on your vehicle, and you'll feel safe and happy, and, that coming here that we can handle anything you may need.